Our topic of discussion is Cucumber. Cucumber is widely used tool for behavior-driven development that facilitates collaboration between developers, testers, and non-technical stakeholders. Here are 20 interview questions and answers regarding Cucumber. What is Cucumber? Cucumber is a BDD tool that allows the execution of plain text functional descriptions as automated tests. It supports various programming languages and enables collaboration between non-technical and technical team members. What is a BDD? Behavior Driven Development. Answer: BDD is a software development approach that encourages collaboration among developers, QA, and non-technical stakeholders. It uses natural language specifications to describe the behavior of a software application. Explain the Gherkin language. Answer: Gherkin is a language used in Cucumber for writing features files. It uses simple syntax with keywords like given, when, then, and but to define executable specifications in a human readable format. What are Cucumber features? A feature in Cucumber represents a piece of functionality that can be tested. It is defined in a feature file and contains scenarios describing different aspects of the feature. How do you execute Cucumber tests? Cucumber tests are executed using a test runner. Popular test runners include JUnit for Java and TestNG. Cucumber provides plugins to integrate with various programming languages. Explain the concept of step definitions. Answer: step definitions are methods in the code that are associated with Gherkin steps. They define the actions to be taken when a particular Gherkin step is encountered during test execution. What is scenario outline? A scenario outline is a way to run the same scenario multiple times with different sets of data. It uses a template with placeholders replaced by actual values defined in a data table. How can you share state between steps in Cucumber? Cucumber provides a scenario context or world object where you can store and retrieve information between steps. This allows sharing state across different step definitions. What is background in Cucumber? A background is a way to run a set of steps before each scenario in a feature file. It helps in reducing duplication of common steps. Explain Cucumber hooks. Cucumber hooks are special methods that run before or after certain events during the execution of scenarios. They can be used for setup or cleanup tasks. How can you ignore scenarios in Cucumber? Answer: you can use the ignore tag before the scenario keyword to ignore specific scenarios during test execution. What is the difference between scenario and scenario outline? Answer: a scenario is a single example in Gherkin, while a scenario outline is a template that can be reused with different sets of data. Explain the importance of tags in Cucumber. Tags are used to categorize the filter scenarios. They are prefixed with the @ symbol and can be used to selectively run or ignore scenarios. How can you pass parameter steps in Cucumber? Answer: parameters can be passed to steps using placeholders in the Gherkin steps, and the corresponding step definition should accept those parameters. Can Cucumber be integrated with test automation frameworks? Answer: yes, Cucumber can be integrated with various test automation frameworks like Selenium, Appium, and more. It acts as a BDD layer on top of these frameworks. What is the purpose of data tables in Cucumber? Data tables in Cucumber are used to pass tabular data to a step. They are often used in scenario outlines to provide multiple sets of data for the same scenario. How can you handle asynchronous operations in Cucumber? Cucumber supports the use of explicit waits and synchronization mechanisms to handle asynchronous operations in the step definitions. Explain the dry run in Cucumber. The dry run operation in Cucumber is used to check if the steps in the feature file have corresponding step definitions. It helps in identifying missing or undefined steps. What is the purpose of scenario context in Cucumber? Scenario context is a shared state or context that allows passing information between steps. It is especially useful when data needs to be shared across step definitions. How can you generate reports in Cucumber? Answer: Cucumber provides plugins to generate reports in different formats such as HTML, JSON, and XML. These reports can be used to analyze the results and identify issues. These questions cover various aspects of Cucumber from its basic concept to more advanced features. Make sure to practice implementing Cucumber scenarios and step definitions to reinforce your understanding.